We're sitting here with April, and we were just discussing some of the, I would say, really incredible changes that she's seen since we've done the stem cells in her knee. So, April, if you could just comment a little bit about what you've experienced at this point.
I had the stem cells done about 6 weeks ago, and so far my pain is significantly decreased. I can sleep with my knees together. I can sleep on my stomach with no pain in my knees. I can go up and down steps. I haven't been taking Motrin or opioids in 6 weeks. The pain relief is just incredible.
And you use a statement with me that it's really been life-altering. Would you agree that that's really what you're seeing?
Oh yes, very life-altering. I can sit in the car before 30 minutes to an hour and I was just in awful pain. We did a trip. I was in the car 9 hours, no pain whatsoever. It's wonderful.
Fantastic. Well, I appreciate it. There's a lot of people suffering, so thank you for doing this.
Mm-hmm.